Hey there, lovely entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into a topic that is pure gold for anyone running an online business. So that topic is customer retention secrets. If you're a busy person juggling life, work, your thriving e-commerce store, this video is tailor-made for you. Did you know that it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than to keep an existing one? Yeah, you heard that right. So why not stick around and discover how to transform your one-time shoppers into lifelong brand lovers? Before we get started, let me share a little story. I remember the time I started my online store. I was passionate, determined, and I also faced my fair share of challenges. One of the biggest struggles was keeping customers coming back. Sounds familiar? Have you had that struggle yourself? Oh, I really struggled with that. So ladies and gentlemen, the foundation of successful customer retention begins with truly understanding your audience. Take a moment to think about what makes your target customers tick. What are their pain points, desires, and values? The more you know, the better you can serve them. So take some time to do that. Now let's talk about creating experiences that leave your customers craving for more. Unboxing an order should feel like a celebration, right? Add a personalized thank you note, a small surprise gift, or even a discount for their next purchase. Make it an experience that they won't forget. And I bet you have seen lots of unboxing videos like in places like TikTok. So emulate some of those things for your own business so that you can keep your customers coming back again. You can keep your customers happy with that experience and get them to come back again. So in this digital age, nurturing relationships has never been easier. Stay connected through social media, send out newsletters with exclusive offers, and don't shy away from sharing your journey. People love to know the face behind your brand, so make sure you're nurturing those relationships through doing this. Have you ever thought about rewarding loyalty? So you can offer a VIP program with easy access to new products, special discounts, and exclusive events. This makes your customers feel valued and it encourages them to keep coming back for that VIP treatment. There you have it, amazing entrepreneurs. Turning one-time buy into lifelong customers isn't rocket science. It's all about understanding your audience, creating memorable experiences, nurturing relationships, and offering that VIP treatment. So the next time you are brainstorming ways to boost customer retention, remember these gold tips. Now I would like to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonates the most with you? Have you tried any of them before? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat. So thank you for joining me today. If you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more juicy e-commerce insights. Until next time, keep rocking your online business and keeping those customers coming back. Bye for now.